Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the last trading day of the week, Blessing Friday, and I just finished my trading day and would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD in 4-hour chart, from yesterday we have banked beautiful pips. As you haven't seen my if you haven't seen my analysis review, the video link is also given in the video description. So we were short, banked beautiful pips once the price respected, as you can see here, a weekly support level. So we banked beautiful pips on this journey. Today we also had a very small short trade here. Afterwards we had a long trade here, and the target was at this level, and expecting a short trade here probably today or Monday at pullback short trade. We'll let you know. But anyhow, let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exit in intraday. If you look at the analysis yesterday at the New York session, as you can see, price developed sideways market. We have beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit to the weekly support level, and that's what I explained to my traders. Time to bank some profit. So we had amazing short trade on EURUSD yesterday. This morning, that's what I explained to my trader. If the price is going to respect this level, which is again this level, so then probably short trade here. At safest way is short trade here, but technically we were, or bias was short. That's what I explained to my trader. You can take a short trade here, or safest way is break out the short trade here. So we had a beautiful breakout short trade as soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA in intraday system, and explain to my trader it's time to bank some profit. And afterwards, as you can see here, the price respected here. We have a bullish engulfing candle at the New York session, and price broken this previous high. You can see here this high in an intraday. You can see here that's what I did analysis. So now we're going to look any pullback. Momentum is developed bullish and trend is bullish now. As you can see here, after that we have one pullback, second pullback, and third pullback. As soon as the price hit to the fifth channel in 4 hour, you can see here inside the Bollinger Band. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys, we had amazing trades on EURUSD and pound dollar. We had a good trade too. If you look at the pound dollar 4-hour chart, we were short from yesterday, banked beautiful pips, and we also had a very small short trade here, and afternoon we also had a long trade. Let me share with you how I analyze in intraday. Even small moves, we have price has given us amazing pips, guys. Let me share with you the analysis. If you look at the yesterday, we had this breakout at the New York session. Price develops a market here at this level. We had such a beautiful breakout and keep taking all pullback short trade here. And afterwards at the Asian session, price came back reverse, but we need a valid technical pattern. This was a pretty straightforward breakout counter long trade on pound dollar. This morning, as you can see here, explained to my trader, price develop another pattern and possibility of pullback at this level. As you can see, price did not develop any pullback, and as you can see here, no green candle at this level. We have a beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit to the previous low level. As that's explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. This was the trade at the London morning session, and afterwards at the New York session, price developed another pattern. We have another small short trade here as soon as the price hit to the previous low level. Explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit, and afterwards price is reverse, and that's what I explained to in more detail. As you can see here, that's what we explain the price action in real time. Let me explain to you guys. So we had this short trade here at the bottom at this level, price broken and retest, beautiful. You can see the fifth channel, price nicely hit to the previous low level, bank beautiful pips at the bottom, and afterwards price is reverse. As you can see here, this is the impulsive reverse. Price broken the previous high, and that's explained to my trader. Price broken this one. So we have two possibilities. If the price gonna break this previous high, this long trade here. Otherwise, if the price gonna come back and retest this level, which you can see here at this moment, price came back and retest and then pull back. That's why we're going to take a long trade here. If the price failed to maintain the above this previous high, then we're going to take a short trade here. Otherwise, based on the momentum, of first priority was the pullback long. As you can see here, price nicely broken and beautiful, another pullback. As you can see here, back beautiful pips. That's what we explain in real time, because that's why once we explain things and then we wait for the price to behave according to the analysis, and that's the way you're going to learn. That's why we train people with the live market, with the live analysis. All right, guys, so you can see here we have amazing few PBs on pound dollar and the dollar CAD. And let me explain to you dollar CAD. We had another interesting moves today. I'm going to explain to you the price action intraday, how we trade. So just stay tuned. All right, so if you look at the 4-hour bigger picture, we were long yesterday, bank beautiful pips. Even the New York session, we have a spinning top candle. We have amazing long trade here. Today we were expecting a pullback at this level. We also had a long trade here, bank beautiful pips. Afterwards, we also had a short trade. Let me explain to you how I analyze market in intraday and refine the entries and exit. Okay, so if you look at the intraday analysis on dollar CAD, and this was the trade yesterday at the New York session. Price developed sideways market, as mentioned in the spinning top candle. That was a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, pullback long trade here, and we had this counter short trade, which is I haven't taken because I was off. And this morning, as you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader. We were expecting a pullback at this level. That's what I did this analysis. So we're expecting here to break out this previous high, and you can see here, this is what I explained to my trader. And the price nicely broken and retest. Price hit to the 200 EMA in intraday, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to price hit this level. Explain to my trader it's time to bank some profit. And afterwards, you can see here we have an impulsive short trade here. As you can see, because of the circumstances and situation, market is very volatile. So you can see here price developed, and that's what I explained to my trader. Price developed double bottom here. So we have this scenario again developing here. So we have another long trade here and breakout and previous high pull back after the breakout. As soon as the price hit to the previous level and the fifth channel, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And afterwards, what's happened here? You can see here the price came back, we have banked some profit. Look at this candle here, we have rejections. Once the price was rejecting it, that's what I explained to my trader. Now there's a high probability, because the price is failed to maintain the above level and the price is rejecting it. So most more likely we have a short trade here if the price gonna break this level. In an intraday, this is the scenario. We already banked some profit. Price impulsively came down. We have breakout previously based on the 4-hour price action. We have this breakout. Explained to my trader, take for breakout short trade here. We had such a nice beautiful breakout. After the breakout, price confirmed. That's what we explained through live audio commentary. If you missed this one, don't miss this trade. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the fib channel, which is we consider support and resistance, and as soon as the price develop a double bottom here, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. As you can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4-hour price action, define the market sentiment and the bias, and how we refine the entries and exit in intraday, and how we bank profit every single day. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. The important and interesting part of it, as always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling trading, as you have seen, this is what we explain in real time. You can develop your trading skill in real time alongside with the live audio commentary support and with the live intraday analysis. And you will also get the review of all your trades. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train traders with a live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.